say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Simple Living. I am so excited. I am starting a new series. It's a summer series, and it will each week I'll feature a new drink, summer drink, and a new dessert. So this week, my first part of my first series, I'm introducing strawberry lemonade with a lemon bar. It's going to be fantastic, and what a way to what a way to kick off your summer with a refreshing strawberry lemonade and a little treat of a lemon bar. Oh my gosh, with a little dusting of powdered sugar. Woohoo! I don't know about you, but I love lemon. It's one of my favorite, all-time favorites. Lemon pie. I also like key lime pie. So hey, in the comments below, I'd like y'all to get more involved. So I'd like to know who's watching and get to know you a little better. So in the comments below, maybe tell me your favorite summer dessert. And if you want to see me make something on my channel, let me know in the comments. And I would love to do that. So anyway, with no further ado, let's get cooking in the kitchen. See you there. Okay, y'all. Hi, we are gonna start our lemon bar crust right now. So I'll leave the recipe in the description box below so you'll have it, but let's get started. All right, to a bowl, you're gonna add your sugar, 1/4 cup. You're gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And you're gonna add 1/2 cup of butter. You're gonna give it a stir, just like that. I think we all know how to stir. And then you're gonna add your flour mixture. Well, just your flour, it's not a mixture. It's just flour. I don't want to sound all fancy here, just 1 cup of flour. And you're gonna stir this, and it's gonna be kind of thick. But this is gonna be your crust. I cannot wait to have these this afternoon with my strawberry lemonade. I just wanna make sure everything is incorporated. Just like that. Okay, after you got your mixture all mixed, and it's gonna look like this. So it's just kind of thick. You're gonna put it in a 8x8 pan lined with parchment paper. So it'll be easy to take out. Okay? And then you're just gonna use your hands, clean hands. Clean hands. And then you're just gonna smush. That's a very technical cooking term, so you might wanna learn it. Just smush. The crust. Shortbread crust to the bottom of your 8x8 pan. Evidently, I can't do this and talk at the same time. Just want to make sure it's pretty even. You don't want to have it real thin on one side and real thick on the other. And then you're going to slip it into a 350-degree oven. 16 to 18 minutes. You want to get it till it's golden brown on the edges. Minutes. Okay, y'all, for the filling, you're going to zest 2 teaspoons of lemon zest, and then you're gonna have 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now. And a 3/4 of a cup is about 4 large lemons. If I seem a little distracted, it's because there's a wasp in my house. And it's flying around, and yeah, a little distracting. Okay. Most of you know how to zest and get the juice out of a lemon. Now, don't do exactly what I did here because I cut my lemons first. I know better. You should zest them first and then cut them. It's a lot easier to zest. But in my excitement for this recipe, I got a little ahead of myself and a little distracted by my wasp situation. So anyway, you make sure you zest your lemon before you cut them, because you can see how squishy it is. It's just harder to zest. I mean, you can still zest it. I'm still getting plenty of zest, but anyway, a lot easier to do it. Zest it first, then cut it, then get the juice out of it. Also, I'm having lemon seeds drop into my bowl, so that's another problem. Every now and again, I got one eye on that wasp. Yeah, see him where. So anyway, you want 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. Yeah. Sure wished I would have done it right. Okay, y'all, I just give you an update on the wasp issue. I have knocked him off the ceiling and onto the floor, and now I can't find him. So the saga continues. All right, let's make our filling for our lemon bars. We have our shortbread just came out of the oven. Now we're gonna add 3/4 a cup of that lemon juice that we freshly squeezed, and then I strained through a strainer in case I had any seeds. And we're gonna add about 2 teaspoons of freshly grated lemon zest. I added a little bit more because, you know, I'm extra. So I'm just gonna add as much as I think my palate can taste. Then we're gonna add to this mixture, we're gonna have it on medium heat. We're gonna add 1 cup of coconut milk, just the top of it, not the actual liquid. We're gonna add 1 1/4 cup to the pot. Don't throw away the liquid though. Put it in a little container and use it to blend up your smoothie in the morning. Delicious. So 1/4 of coconut milk, the cream that's on top. I didn't even have mine in the ice box. It was just in my cupboard, and I just gathered the cream off top of it. If you don't know what it looks like, let me show you. There it is. There's the cream, and then there's liquid underneath that, and that's what I'm telling you to save. All right, you can give this a little whisk together. Just incorporate that. Then you're gonna add 1 1/2 cups of sugar to the mixture. So I got that incorporated. Then add your 1 1/2 cups of sugar and give that a whisk. This could not be simpler. Then to that, we are gonna add 6 tablespoons of corn starch. 6 tablespoons, and we're gonna really whisk that together. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I shied one, so I'm gonna try to guess on how much I shied it. There you go. And a pinch of turmeric. If you want it to be kind of that lemon bar color, then just get some turmeric and just put a pinch, just a tiny pinch of that in there. We drink turmeric tea, golden lattes, and this is our turmeric. And so I had it on hand. It's not essential to the recipe, but if you just want a little bit of that color, which as I'm stirring now, doesn't seem like it's giving any at all. So you might be able to just skip it. And you just want to stir this and cook this until it gets thick. Hey y'all, we've got it whipped. And this is the consistency right here. Get it all poured in there. Then you want to spread it around. Spread it around on your shortbread. And then you're going to pop it back in the oven for 15 minutes. And then we will let it cool for 30 on a cooling rack. And then you're going to put this piece of art, beautifulness, in the icebox for 2 hours or overnight, however you want to work it. And then I'll show you what you do next when we bring it out of our icebox.
Hi, we are gonna make strawberry lemonade, like for just, not a whole pitcher, just 1 cup for our, for you that just wanna have 1 cup of strawberry lemonade in the afternoon, or for the people that live alone, don't wanna make a whole pitcher. This is 1 cup of how to make strawberry lemonade, and I am learning right along with you. So here we go. All right, so to a 16-ounce glass, you're gonna add your strawberries. So 2 or 3, depending on how, you know, how strawberry you want yours. And I'm adding 3 huge ones. So I'm thinking I'm in the mood for some strawberry lemonade. That's what I'm thinking. So we're gonna add our strawberries and our sugars, and it'll be 2 tablespoons of sugar to your 16-ounce cup. You just want to get a fork and kind of mash it around on the sides until we get it all kind of juicy. So this may take a minute. And then you're going to take 1/4 cup of hot water after you get it in there where it's kind of, you know, juicy. Like I said, this may take you a hot minute. Okay, and then you're going to add some hot water to it, 1/4 cup of hot water. And that's to dissolve the sugar. You're going to give that a stir until the sugar is dissolved. You don't want to be drinking just a whole glass of granule sugar. And after you give that a stir and let the sugar melt, that, gosh, this smells so good with just nothing else. All right, I think we did this good enough. Set it aside and then get you some cold water. About, I don't know, let's see what I don't want to guess. I was gonna just guess. But about 3/4 cups of cold water. And then you want 2 or 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, how much ever you want to have. You're gonna add that to your cold water. Okay. Now we've added 2 or 3 tablespoons to our cold water. And we're going to put it in our glass with our strawberries. So you're going to pour the cold water and the lemon juice in with your strawberries. And you're just going to give it a stir, like that. We're almost done, y'all.
How easy is this drink? All right, and then of course you're gonna wanna even make it colder. And you're gonna top it off with some ice. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm gonna tell you this. You've got to make the strawberry lemonade. Oh my goodness. Okay, so if you want it tart, put 3 tablespoons. Otherwise, I mean, I love mine tart, so I like to pucker up when I drink my lemonade. All right, y'all. Strawberry lemonade, yummo. And our shortbread. Uh-oh. Whoops. Okay. Our those were my blueberries. They were rolling. They're on the floor now, so I'm not gonna catch them. Anyway, this is our lemon shortbread dessert to go with our strawberry lemon lemonade. Okay, let me put this down so I don't lose another blueberry. Oh gosh, darn it. All right, I'm gonna taste it. And let's see how we did. This was 2 hours of sitting in the ice box. So I think it'd be okay, 2 hours. But probably, I'm gonna let it sit there until Superman gets home tonight and serve him my piece. All right, here we go. Shut up. Oh my gosh, y'all. That is just like, what is that stuff? It's lemon curd. I love lemon curd, and it's not vegan. It's made with a lot of eggs and butter, which you know, easy to find vegan butter, but sometimes harder to make that vegan egg in some of these recipes. Like flaxseed in this probably wouldn't be so great. But anyway, this is just like the lemon curd. You can make this filling and substitute it. I used to buy like pound cake and then layer it with lemon curd and blueberries, pound cake, lemon curd, and make like a trifle. Anyway, this is fantastic. You have got to try these recipes because this strawberry lemonade, so stinking refreshing. Oh my gosh, perfect amount of lemon for me, strawberries. I will leave both recipes in the description box below. So anyway, thank you again for stopping by Simple Living with these simple recipes, and happy summering. All right, bye-bye.